Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. And if you love tech, unboxings, and simple tips, you are in the right place. So, in this video, we will talk about how to turn off location on Instagram. So, firstly, tap on the map option. Now, at the top right corner, tap on the setting icon. Now, tap on no one option. Tap on until you turn it back on. Now, go back to the home page and press on Instagram for few seconds. Now tap on the ike button. Now click on permissions option. Click on location. Tap on don't allow. And yeah, that's it. And if you find the information given in the video helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for more updates. Thank you.